Hello, and thank you once again for joining me. This is going to be a quick unboxing. I recently purchased this battery charger for the Sony ZV-1. It's very rare and very difficult to get, accessories like the charger and even spare batteries. Even if you go to a Sony store, right, it's very difficult to get it. So I sometimes wonder why they even try to sell this product. Anyway, I was lucky to find one here at a retail shop. So this is going to be a quick unboxing. This charger is able to charge all these types of batteries: X, N, G, D, T, R, K. X is the one that this ZV-1 uses. And apparently this is a 2-in-1 charger. If I look here, the contents of the box, you have the AC power cord as well as the micro USB. And the model number is BC-TRX. And this is the back. So, opening it out. You have the AC power cord, the micro USB cable, and deep inside you have the charger. Let me try to focus. So this is you toggle between these two buttons for battery charge and for USB power. Okay, so I think you can use this to get USB power of 5 volt 1.5 amperes. You could probably use this one to charge the Sony or any other, maybe a battery or any other device. Okay, and this is where the AC power cord goes in. And deep inside this box you have quite a thick pamphlet booklet. Oh yeah, they've also included an adapter. So this one is okay, safety instructions. I'm not sure. Okay. So my battery is the X type. Okay, so that if that is the case, I will be here are the indicators. Okay, charging temperature to use battery pack quickly. Okay. Right. So it mentions here XG. Let me just check the. Okay, it shows over here. It reads over here. When attaching a Type X or K battery pack, insert it along the left side of the attachment part of this unit, as shown by the arrow 1 in illustration B2. Okay, so this is how it goes in. So you have the arrow here, X battery, so you need to put it in like this. Okay, so this is how you charge it. And this is a quick charger. So here you have all the details. So this is good because when you're shooting 4K using this Sony ZV-1, right, the battery drains really quick, you know, so you need to have additional battery packs. Okay, one battery will not do. Okay, so you need to have a couple, and this charger is very essential because this will help it will help charge the batteries really fast, because if you connect it onto this one and hook it up to a USB port, right, it takes forever. And one other thing, when you have this battery connected here, you need to switch this over to battery charge so that the battery will be charged. If you want to power this as a USB power source, then you got to push it this way. Okay, so that's about it. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, so this can be used in the US as well, because input volt ranges from 100 volts to 240 volts. Okay. Let me just connect this and confirm. Can I get batteries? Let's just take this all apart. There you go. Connected, and now the indicator is on. Put it this way. And as per the light here, so when it's fully charged, when it's 90% charged, you'll have all the 3 bars, as well as the 3 bars, the three green bars will be on. Okay, but the yellow indicator will be off. Charging lamp will be off. When it is fully charged, however, both the 3 green lights bars as well as the charge lamp will be off. So we need to get to this state to make sure that the battery is completely charged. So yeah, this is going to take some time. This charger is capable of charging multiple types of batteries, right? X, G, T, N series. So this, if you're charging the batteries of X and G series, you leave it like this. If you're charging any other batteries, you got to pull this lever here. You got to pull this lever here and put it this way, so it will be compatible with the N, U, T, the rest of the battery types, you know. This one, I bought this locally from Mall of the Emirates. Okay, and you can get it for 198 dirhams. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Okay, and if you do, kindly leave a like and subscribe to my channel so I can post more and more videos in the future. Okay. And one other thing, let me just connect here. Connect it this way. Okay, so I have connected it to the USB. There's no response, but if I switch this over to the USB power, there you go. So it's charging. So you cannot do both at the same time. Either you use it for charging your battery or you use it for the USB. Okay, so now I have connected it as a USB DC power source. Okay, so anyway, I'm not going to be charging this for the time being. I'm going to go back to charging my Sony battery. Okay, yeah, the indicator is showing it's charging. Okay, so one of these, so it says charging. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect this, get back to charging my Sony battery. One of these days I will make a video on the Nokia phones that I have also. Okay, hope you like the video, and please like and subscribe so I can make more videos in the future. Thank you so much for your support. Bye for now.